Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to edit or how to use the spreadsheet templates on your mobile application in WPS Office spreadsheet. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to edit the WPS Office spreadsheet mobile template, or how to use the template in spreadsheet of WPS Office. Click on this plus symbol first of all and open Excel. So now it will be on the first page where you can just find a template. You can just swipe down, you will see a limited free spreadsheet templates. So there's actually a lot of templates like management, invoice, inventory, and lot other more. You can choose any one of the spreadsheet. For an example, I just going to choose this spreadsheet, and it's with a graph. You just need to log in into your WPS Office, so you can use this for free. The blue color star symbol, which actually denotes it was a premium one. You can use the free version by clicking on the use now, which actually download from the internet. You just need internet to download it. Now you can just easily customize the thing. Just double tap here and you can enter the new value for it, like what the value should be changed, and also you can use this formula, text, whatever that you want, and you just can zoom in, and you can just change the personal performance. For an example, double tap here, and you can edit every cells that you want to edit it like this. You can see the formula has been it's also have a type contained error or something like that. So you can use this sheet and you can just tap it, you can delete it, and whatever that you want. So actually here the formula has been creating, so it's not have to edit. So you can just delete it like this. You can see the data has been deleted, so you can just easily edit, and the graph also can be changed, and you can just save it. This is how you just use the template on your spreadsheet, WPS spreadsheet. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.